Ahosepe Jumezido, or Honsom for the Fantido, President for the Brothers and Sisters Association, live from Cafe Badwam Jolu Police Station in Chanhonoma, Odu Tuesday CBA. Had in a yetna, I'm his favorite personality, no, Abro. Now, in the young one in Tentum, no, I'm renewed. Into no, and then no, may guest no, EOBA, Bribia Basso Copani, Hunde. Waba oye movies set do ye we movie an ye hu ni assist no chapa o hwe ni tuntum nenyem most man no everything on points we fe papa na oba articulation so abroni ka articulation say na at we papa most man no kasa na acting everything was on point into no ye nyina ye take an interest in her now we act for so many years. And Michigan and most one not first and moving with TV no most more the man or the what minimum time was 30 day or Jedori age. But I had it no somewhere or they see any security now, the beauty security now no had it there was Nara Bema Hen. Me guess to know or your actress. The Marathon or your brand influencer, a lot of brands who chrome had this. This year also all your skincare and so into no and they pay Maminchio. Good morning.
Good morning.
Akaba.
Munia.
Martha Ankomah. You are so pretty. We have a pa.
Me das.
Time many JD ringing because for some time now in Yinibio. Most man you home. The man ete.
I Nyankopon Adom. Nyankopon Adom. I mean, Bibia and Wobia if Nyankopon ho.
Okay.
See, but I know that it's been God's grace. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Into now my share you I would able to my hand time in ye. How many years in act?
Hey, my act actually. Maybe so boss and pedukra.
O chemo do kwatina ponko na ade.
Ponko so kra or nafty. My act actually. Actually that was how many years ago? Nafty didn't know how many years ago. Na a year be. The final year project. 2009. Me and the final year project. Yeah.
Okay.
Until me started Fan World to say 1994, 1995. Na me
okay, now what Fan World do?
Na me Fan World.
Wow.
And I'm from Fan World, me TPS. TPS a theater program for schools. And after that, me a TV series to say St. James Hotel, All That Glitters, Home Sweet Home, Where Is Your Mobile, Matters of the Heart. Like Nema Bebre, you know, yes.
Sin of the Soul.
Sin of the Soul, a movie.
Okay.
A series, yeah.
Okay.
And
I started with series and
started with Fan World and I call TV stage performance, stage productions, play,
wow.
stage productions, and a movie called TV series, and maybe a school project to say I'm more project see. We have been my fellow back or you and we started me adverts, movies, reality shows, and nature movies and all that. It's in all say how many movies na I me honestly or those ye papa by a household name and I don't know we haters are sure they will haters are me no but me Jean this say obi a woni adophobia any atam for it's I don't think it's true because me feed the Ghana food o ye papa it's just the grace and the favor of God which I don't take it for granted. You know, I'm grateful for the love and for Eddie show me they biara, you know, but me did say obi o adophobia and so atam for kakra. Okay, yeah, and it's all good. Even Bible say anything na dowa. Yeah. No one Samarian. Into no Martha Ankomah my guest or had an pay on chair breakfast in baba. Na ye tum na ye zin na ye robon komo. Into no my young share baby if you can ha. Me pocho ye wo me won kran ha. I'm a make a fancy. Na you can come fancy na. But show ye wo me won kran ha. Okay. But me papa e wrong a half for and I me mommy e equiapem. Okay. Yeah. But in Canada, na wo nta ha na ko school na cry. Ha na me ko mi school ni na. Okay. Nta ko school ahen from getting. Eh, my schools bebre o. It's me ko Hansen Road, me ko Emos International, me ko Adinchum Tree, me ko I think I ended up in Adabaka Presby. I want to make sure me BEC. Okay. And I me call Laboni Secondary School. Oh, okay. And I me call JE University. and I'm called NIPS, yeah, and I'm called Switzerland Business School.
I see.
Yeah.
Naturally, a business school is all. Okay. JU is where a course or JU.
Me journalism was PR.
Okay.
Me join public relations.
I see. Wow. Incident as a Juma na that will be na ya.
Me the Juma. Yeah.
May what's your current role movie and a movie extra?
So recently, I think just this year, was it last 2 months? Any class I am seeing in UK. Me ko premiere movie. Adom UK.
Wow, movie.
Debbie, producer be or your software or Pastor Charlene. It's in the premiere movie or UK. It's called Shades of Grace.
It's a Christian movie.
Christian movie, Greenwich. Baxby Road. It's in the premiere movie or London. Just this July, was June. London. Yeah.
So you look back at acting and lucrative in your sky.
Yeah. For me, I would say you may be on your coupon the Bema no. Say also muye na say uyi wakume muye. Na wafanya akwadro. Now we asking God for direction now. You get to do it and you get to do it well. Nyankopon tun shirasi uguswa ebie kwan emao. Inti I'm grateful to God for giving me the talent to be an actress. Trust me, it's not something I take for granted. I really appreciate the fact say Nyankopon ma me favor to do this work I am doing. And for me it's been really good. I mean all this brand ambassadorial deals are meaning now. Me say through me acting career and the mommy inya sa injuma wina. Nkrofo ma wontare share for free. Nkrofo che wunyi for free. Oko marketer obi to tilapia. Onu ebe man pepe wo kwa tilapia ra no beto so ama. Nkrofo be che wuntos me ko jene. You know, you get a lot of things for free.
Wow.
Because of me jidi say me acting career no. Any favor na Nyankopon dia mama no. You meet people and they do things for you for free. Oko baby parking space ni wona so you benya parking space amount. You know they treat you so well. I believe say God's favor ni ejuma na me no. I'm grateful to God to be an actress and baby I make an opportunity. So anytime I menya opportunity, Nyankopon frame me. After 130 something years, we say 40 years was as we so after 150 years.
And I bet
I bet papa. Na say me age
was over baba had to
there be necessary you can't guess my age. So you can imagine meche pa nyame adoma. Na say me call back car, na say yakopon bi sam say what would you like to do? I say I would like to go back to acting. Cause it's
really
good. It's good.
I
would like to act still. It's something yeah, you can do a lot of things aside acting. We get to play any other role on this planet. If you juma penny, it's me any awoye. It's me and pedwe juma. It's me a doctor. It's me a nurse. It's me BBI a pewas as way. So it's just acting and out me as any money.
Yeah. Wow, very interesting insights into acting and how it makes you feel. Now, me pede missing me there. Into I don't know your perception be. For Mr. For acting who kumadi, be a who in a movie, a could be a kiss, be a terrible share because of the role. Now already know people perceive their sister or be a bad girl. May assure that be a atibida. How have you dealt with it?
Oh, my tibisa, and me play a lot of bad girl.
Movies. First.
And I still do.
Before I ask a question, maybe some Ampedu. That Ampedu is matter bad. But also debut. When you say, "Hey, first if you're moving here, who are sister is
it?" Still, me play bad girl. But once I always say it depends on the storyline. Because that's right. Thank you. Inti ya wo obi aba asase we so no ya ntro na enim say obey bad girl and obey bad boy. Won say wo hwe Jesus film ma. Ye nyina yesu no say wo hwe Jesus film there.
Ma hwebe. Passion of Christ.
Okay. Yeah, hwe tete de ne pan.
I see.
Inti won say wo hwe Jesus film ma. Ye nyina ye be hate Judas. And I Jesus story need deeper because of my Judas e Jesus. Because o kind Bible na Judas e betray Jesus. Me boa na. But OGD say Judas, ni ma make sure one mama so say obey Jesus from na obe play Judas ana. A role a play, but besini akwala bi ampe Judas asem. Me boana. But Judas ka ho na ma story no eti apo na ye nyina ye beji Yesu Kristo asem ni edi ye because usana say ka Bible ne chewa uncha na anti ase etew. Ushe movie na na ma wo feel unya the impact of ade Jesus Christ ebeye.
Okay.
Inti with me, it's about the storyline. If the story is going to have a positive impact and I have to play the bad girl just to change someone's life, to become better, why not?
Okay.
I would do that. So it's all about the storyline. My role must have an impact on your life.
All from what anyone thinks. After watching the movie, because you told me a movie. Not after the movie, no. And you play bad role, no. And
yes. Say na yempe Judas asemu,
it doesn't matter.
Yeah, there be. And this is what I do for a living. Sweetheart, I'm travel to office so. Who use kakra? Who use kakra? Me so me yasika, me trusteni. When you fall in love with what I do, when it's America, inti say me play role we na say e be sakra, pache da say. Ebe sakra obia bra bona say ebe sesanyama what you see. Yeah.
Okay. But me you busy I care a lot about Christ. Papa because before that is bano abantino. Cafe bano Jolu police station in Chanhonoma was serving and come who is one no
patrol me.
My young chase and a chase hunting your tonsa. You know, I'm chase to Cafe Bano. Yeah, the one as Papa Danny pay one man breakfast come day into
cheers to good life, good health and long life.
No cheers. So no to to say. Come on. Me wonder akasa after the fact that a staunch Christian. At what point be very strong Christianity?
I at what point I get surprised because I knows me very well. He will tell you I've always been like this. Me papa omodi call Sunday school. Okay. My dad was an Adventist or called SDA. He was an Adventist. Sunday school, Saturday school, Sabbath school and all that. And my mom was very she is very strict still, even though you need but still like strict kakra way so sorry and all that. And people say they see a lot of my crave parts for a very long time because first not Facebook in not Instagram in not social media in
okay
so that time me boy
na social media
na bibiasa ni ho na bibiasa po ni ho meboa sama na ye mu na bibiasa ni ho inti as a child of God no what can I do to support God's work, support his kingdom? And you obi na betumi afa microphone dey si neni akono akwa preachy ewo area bi ankofo be probaba be hwe no inti social media platform na nyankopon dey amayen as children of God no all the followers and me social media so be brave no say me kwa sorry na me post bibia ye kan ye and I say me share a little bit of water me nya ya me gidi say eto akonemu and I see the impact. I see people coming back to write say I dey where me kan ye no aboa me I dey where me share ye no aboa no na all thinki bibi crowd. Thank God I just stepped in at the right time, you know. Intimidity said that's the only way I am so in my yakopon ama ye nyunyam kakra no any fame kakra no ye betimi ama nasem no edu echi because come to think of it followers now wo social media platform so pastor ekosi tent e wo baby a onya sanko for no but you have all those people on your social media platform
Instagram
so what are you doing with them? What 3.2 wow yeah 3.2 just on Instagram. And so what are you doing with all organic these people? Pepacho bisa boss me nyama
wow nti ma mesin kwafo do pa no e do pa wow that's so good. Brand ambassadors give say
okay, so I think I've done a lot by the grace of God, and I think I wouldn't want to, but for now I'm advertising I'm a brand ambassador for Vibrant Skincare.
Okay.
We share Vibrant Skincare for the past 2 years, omo products ena medi dware ena mede stra. Cause me pe bibia sebi be ma me aye kokko. Cause Nyakopon bo me nipa tuntum. Bible say bibia Nyakopon bo bia no, o ka say e beautiful. He created us in his own image. Me ji say nyame tuntum so bo me nipa tuntum.
Okay.
Enti face kwabi ene na me di family. O hwe me ni ma, won say wo see Martha ho feel me who hwe wo weni. Yes, we fighting wrinkles. Pimples bia, e ma we nim very smooth. We see anti-aging face tablet soap, actually body tablet soap akasa. We fighting wrinkle biara. Ena ema we nim ne uhonam etoso. What you see? One say obi wo ha odware wi a oni sem no de uhuru n'enyim. But we wo de uhuru enyim a. Trust me. One kasa obi dey dance here.
Okay.
Ena black soap shower gel no. Oba ni be me bia ehia black soap shower gel no. Ehia. Most especially in that time of the month, ya mba no. Say wa woni nyame pese me nti udi dware sana eyi nka boni biara okwa gym so na say wo sweat ya yerma ye kwa gym ni nyama no udi dware a e ma wo ho no e feel good na wo dofo bi kra ben wa we who say yes me boy otiapo na we ni me favorite anti-aging body lotion no face and body lotion no e ma wo na menim toso e fight wrinkles who say wo ni a who signs of aging ni nyama but who use body lotion we ya Emma was skin no, smooth. Emma we nim no, toso. Uni pedria no, kasa.
Okay.
Until we a vibrant skin care. Available at Palace Mall shops na nationwide. It be art pharmacies na nationwide. Yaba Ghana online. Ombe deliver amount. Me a brand ambassador my Yaba Ghana. It's a big delivery company. It's Ombe deliver amount.
Okay.
Oko wellness bites. Tesano. House of Juben House of Beauty. Tesano. Omo honum Stranax supermarkets. And Palace Mall shops nationwide, Empomats for one. I mean, products we do about you na total spinsters. Okoha,
okay. So no, Martha, was she any beauty secrets? Just in case na, what is keeping her looking this sweeter? Na, Adom bazna happy products ni be vibrant. Okay.
Make it fancy. Makes it fancy.
It looks like people don't know about you. Maybe some people don't know about you.
I'm going to come back way. I'm going to come back. I'm going to come back.
Baby, offer people being that the magic.
Oh, I believe that you will have me person mean keep it. Oh, I'm person mean keep it. Mean who can cry. But what I would say is, from my experience in this industry, maybe obi share or your actress, and as one person or or acting, and as or upcoming actor, and as an actress. Maybe for what I would say is, there's so much power in having faith in God, and from my experience, no. Ampedu will tell you. I keep saying Ampedu because, like, living witness, yeah. And trust me, it hasn't been easy in this industry. But when we started, it wasn't easy because there was nothing like social media, and you had to go through the hassle, you know. And what kept some of us not to go astray, not to go wayward, not to do things which are very great. It was just the grace of God, the favor of God upon our lives, and the guidance of God. And for me, when you give your life to God, He orders your steps. And I like to spend time in the house of God. It doesn't make me a perfect person. No, I'm going to be catch you. Bonnie na yebi. What you say? I'm going to be catch you. Bonnie pa. But because the Bible says even our righteousness is like a filthy rag in the sight of God. But Oma onanye ntitia wunyamifia ebwa. Maybe Holy Spirit has a way of taking you out of it.
Okay.
And if there's something I would tell someone watching me, you should take God serious. It helps a lot. Yeah.
Okay.
And prayer works.
Unfortunately, worry. Brothers and sisters, and the message is part of me, Missa.
Oh, me worry.
But and you will be all.
Oh, and no, dear mean to me, I'm Pedu Nebeka.
This is your brother, say, walk crash, and I'm Pedu. Yeah, enemy to me,
enemy to me.
Hey, brother, sister, also to Munko. This is what's the way who
Oh, it's okay, mini boy. It's mini
okay,
boy.
for now.
Mini kunu pacho, mini kunu and mini boy.
It's a quandaho.
Oh, kinda.
Applications no to my
but I'm to me the van. I'm to me crossing the brand pedu. Na pedu ashe my selection. Oh.
No, over to you. Jola take me a shop and go be watch and there over say that part because yes you anything like that. Nyami sure. Na onye okese. Ejuma ne ze area. Bebutuma ye bia nyimpa. Bebutuma ye bia area. But before ebokono, what talent be in you sir? What talent be in you sir?
Oh, I mesunyum. Minimum so pa, but I think the my movie be crying Jebeba out. People will see it when it comes out. A solid movie.
I see.
Yeah.
Who favorite song yeah?
Oh, me play gospel tunes.
I see.
And I me play slow jam. We say cool numbers.
To be bigger come on. 10 seconds.
Jaisa.
On child crowd.
But me Martha Ankomah Foundation. Basically, what we do is we do quality education projects. See, for the past 7 years, we've been moving from different places, remote areas. We are building libraries, Emma School for more in crossing sebi. Intime pamucho semo shemia. And will be coming to you for you guys to support the project.
Why libraries?
Because one say first now you call check books, keke. But I realize say omu deko.
But why books? Why books?
And I make say books they do sweetie pie. Education is the key to life. In modern world that you and modern Ghana, looking at where we are coming from, where we are going as a country. We believe that akwalebia enya education and the basic rights. And education a necessity. Ebema wankasa atna se adwin. Se ne ebe ya ofa weni cry entu nipa so ene aban so. What you say? A solve problem if you are educated. Inti you building libraries no just to influence the next generation. Wow. Yes.
I mean sure. Now more wisdom. Or more akuma accountable to na is a follow up I the major me because education is here papa come had a lot of people are not educated me aka want your mentality no on you know yeah but with books since here that's papa there it will never cancer wa hanan be nyame show bebre our jimbre so enyen etna se no nyame show bebre wo be Kofi Ampedu head of productions or had your time echi papa to mze nkomo mze bro from cafe banwa mamanda ho na se bebre nyame show ho bebre there abina bibia wo be ho na abo to ho my yetum ye babetna hade ye twetwe nkomo nyame show ho on share adwuma wo ye wa hade Ekins, nyami show bebre, kwame from home, nyami show bebre. One more studio honum control honum nyina, Thomas Obia, nyami show nyina. Me de besi hade, Kelvin. I love you. Me de besi hade. Nyame adoma, ye besa na yishia.